Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be learning how to iron professionally, how to iron native wear professionally. So let's go guys. So you see, you start from the hand, you start ironing the hand of the clothes. You iron the hand, you iron it properly. This is the first tone, you iron it, make sure that the lines are straight. You iron the line properly, you turn it to the other side, turn to the other side of the hand and iron that side properly as well. You see what I am doing here? To iron your native clothes is actually easy. Instead of taking it to the dry cleaner for them to charge you a whole lot of money to iron, just follow the process. After ironing this hand, you turn to the other hand, you iron the other hand as well. Just the same process, the same thing I did with the other hand, I will do it with this hand. Just follow the same thing. It's not difficult to do. Make sure your iron is hot. Whether you're using electric iron or charcoal iron, just make sure your iron is hot. After ironing the both hands, as you can see here, you turn the clothes to the front. You start ironing the front of the clothes. Start from the neck, iron it down. You iron the front of the cloth just like I'm doing here. Just follow the same process. Everything is not difficult to iron. I know a whole lot of guys and ladies who don't know how to iron, but they wish they know. So just follow this step like I'm showing you here, and I promise you, you're definitely going to start ironing your clothes professionally. You iron the front side. You see I'm still ironing the front. You iron from the front down, from the neck all the way down to the length side, like throughout the length you iron it. So guys, you can see what I'm doing here. Just follow the same step, exactly what I am doing here. Follow. After ironing this particular front, iron it properly so that everything will be straight. Make sure everything is straight. Iron is just the way I am doing here. Once you iron properly like this, it's not going to take you anything. Once you iron, you have steaming iron, everything will just go smoothly. Once you iron everything like this, the front, once you're done ironing the front like this, you see what I am doing there? You can see, you can see. After ironing this front, you see what's going. I'm just taking you through the detailed process. You turn it to the back. You see, I've turned it to the back. You turn it to the back, you iron the back the same way I iron the front. Iron the back, make sure everything is straight, because on this video we are going to learn how to iron and fold your clothes the same way those dry cleaners fold it. Iron it very well, then that's just the same thing we are doing here. Nothing much. Turn it, iron. After ironing, the folding, I think the folding is where the problem is. That's where a whole lot of people, many people can iron their clothes straight native, but your native needs to be folded to give you that rich man vibes. You know what I'm saying. So guys, after folding the front to the back, the neck like this, then you can turn it. See the way I turn, because now we are going to fold these clothes. Just pay attention. Take a close look on how I'm folding these clothes, because it is not difficult to fold. You see the way I'm folding it. From the other side, you bend it down to the pocket side. Then you make sure that you fold the hand. Then you see what I'm doing there. You fold the hand properly, just like this. Then you take your iron, smoothing it, iron it well. That's why when you see some people wear their native, you see those lines in the native, and you'll be wondering, how did they get this line? This is just the process. Follow the way I'm doing it like this. After ironing this side, you fold the other side of the clothes. You fold the other side of the cloth. Fold the hand, the same thing we did to the other parts. You see, just look at. Then after folding, you see, you've checked the neck and you see everything is equal. You just use your iron, straighten it a little bit. The same way, just straighten it. It is not difficult. I promise you, give it a try. That your husband's clothes at home, that guy, your clothes, that your native at home, you are planning to give to dry cleaner, just try this process. You see, just fold it down like this, bend it, iron it. It's as easy as it is. Iron it like this, you see. Do you see? Very easy. Iron it like this. I know if you've not tried it before, it will not be easy for you. It is easy for me because I've been doing it for the longest time now. Do you see how pretty it is? Just fold it to the next side. That is it. To iron your native, this is just what you need to do. your senator wear, the top, this is just the only thing you need to do to iron it. See, just straighten it. Finishing in clothes is the, in fact, if somebody make clothes for you and the finishing, once you see the finishing, you just know that this cloth is pretty, this cloth is going to be fine. You see, this is what finishing is in a cloth. Maybe you sew new clothes and they are ironing it for you. This is just what finishing is, finishing touches. You see, just look at this cloth. See where we started, look at where we are now. See how pretty, how fine this cloth is. Just look at it. So let's go to the trouser. To iron the trouser, you need to bend the two sides. You see those lines you see in trouser, and when you see somebody wearing their trouser, you see that line that is making it look elegant, classy, making it look fine. The same way I just fold this now, you fold it, then you turn the trouser to this length. Make sure you follow this same step, this thing I am doing. Once you do it like this, you use your iron, straighten it, make sure you straighten, make that line. That is why we fold the trouser like this. Make that line, iron it smoothly, just the same way I am ironing it now. Follow the same process, the same thing I am doing. Just like that. Just like that. You can see, iron it. Once your iron is hot, if you put it on your clothes, it will just iron, but not too hot so it will not burn down your clothes. And don't leave your iron on top of your clothes. If not, that clothes will burn it. So then you turn it to the other side. Do the same thing. Fold one leg up. You can see that. Fold one leg up, then iron this other side. You know, we've already ironed the other side of the trouser. Now we are ironing the upper side. So you do that. After ironing like this, you can see what I'm doing there. Just take your time. You don't rush it. You know, this thing is video. I have to cut out some parts, so you don't need to rush it the way this video is rushing it here. This is not how I did it. It's just because of editing. So you guys, you can see, after doing it this way, then you bring back that other leg that you folded. You see, just look at what I'm doing here. You bring down the leg, just look at it. Bring down the leg, arrange it properly, use your iron, straighten it again. Make sure everything is straightened. This is how you iron your trouser. Just like this. Don't just iron your trouser and not giving it that line if you're wearing plain trouser as a guy, as a man. You don't need to give it to a dry cleaner. Just follow this thing I'm doing and you're going to start doing it by yourself. You see that money you're giving to dry cleaner every week because of ironing. This is what is eating your money. This is, once you start ironing by yourself, you'll see the amount of money you are going to save. So just like this. Once you do it like this, then you fold it. This is how to fold. After ironing straight, you fold it from the leg side. You take it to the waist. You take it to the waist side. Then straighten that part. Straighten that part. You can see what I am doing there. Straighten that part. That is just it. After straightening this part, nothing more. You are not doing any other thing. Just fold the other side too as well. Fold it like this, just like so. How do you see it? How do you see it? Straighten it. We are done. This is just how to fold, iron your clothes. This is how to iron your senator wear and fold it. Look at this trouser. Look at how fine this trouser is looking. Look at where we started and see where we are at now. After ironing and folding, look at how fine it's looking. Once your dry cleaner give you your clothes like this, you start saying, you ironed it very well. Look at how fine it is, but you can do it. That is why I'm teaching you this. Look at this trouser. Look at this trouser now. See it. See how this trouser is looking fine. That's just it. So look at our clothes. See the top. See the trouser. See how straight and fine they are both looking. This is just how to do it. So please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on your post notification bell